How you doing? My name is Guy Lolino with CLM Midwest. CLM is a maintenance company that provides services to some of the big box retailers like your CVS, your Verizon, Petco, Walmarts, and we do a lot of different things for them, whether it's routing a toilet out or fixing a sign or hanging a flagpole or changing the parking lot poles or changing the bulbs or the ballast. So we can send one tech that can do it all. And that's our model, curbside the door, sealing the floor, one and done. The problems that I was having before I bought the van ladder was didn't have room in the vehicle to stock all the lighting and all the different tools and stuff we needed for our technicians, because our technicians just don't do lighting, they do plumbing, they do handyman stuff. When I always look out for different things and different ways to get stuff done faster, somebody mentioned to me about this van ladder and I just looked into it. And I called Dave up and we talked back and forth, and I ended up purchasing my first one. And then as my company grew across the Midwest, I needed it across the Midwest. So we have trucks set up, the van ladders. We have two of them in Chicago market. We have one in Southern Illinois, one in Indianapolis, Indiana, one in Columbus, Ohio, two in Detroit, and one in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. That's some of the things that, I found with, you don't need two guys to operate it too. It's very convenient. The truck doesn't need to be running. The batteries, handle the truck. You're not wasting fuel. There's a lot of things, the advantage of using it. Everybody calls us the fire truck company because we look like fire trucks. But support with van ladder has been always number one with us. So the technicians at the at van ladder's mechanic department, they would technicians would help my guys repair it, whether changing a solenoid or greasing it or whatever they needed, because like I said, to get it fixed, that means the truck's down. So I tell my guys to get on the phone with them and troubleshoot with van ladder and see if you can fix it yourself before you're down. And 9 out of 10, we fixed it on site and the guy was able to keep going. Our thing is with our customers is we advertise, we're not a broker company. We self-perform 85% of the stuff ourselves, and in doing that, the van ladder helps us to do all the stuff that we need done at our locations when we go out. So it's one and done for us. Awesome. And that helps, van ladder helps us do that.